There are three ways, common ways to zoom in and out of documents in Word. The first way is to use the status bar. The status bar is down here. We have a zoom tool here where we can zoom out or zoom in into a document. We can zoom as much as we want. That's the first way. The second common way is by using the View tab. So you go into your ribbon and go to the View tab, and then we have the zoom section here where we have fixed zooms like full page, multiple pages, single page, 100%, and then you can choose a custom zoom level by using a custom percentage or your own percentage figure, or the free options we saw there. You can also use them here. And you can also use the many pages where you can select multiple pages to view at the same time. So let me just go to page width. The third way is using the mouse. If your mouse has a wheel in between the left and right click, a mouse wheel, you can hold down the control key on your keyboard and either move this wheel forward. Moving the wheel forward zooms into the document, and moving the wheel backwards actually zooms out of the document. So these are the three common ways of zooming in and out of your document.